Good day, grade 8 students. We are now in quarter 1, week 3A in Mathematics 8. Our lesson is all about rational algebraic expressions. I'm your virtual instruction teacher, Sir Orlando V. Pasion Jr., Teacher 3 of Nangkalubasaan National High School. The most essential learning competency is illustrate rational algebraic expressions. We define algebraic expression as an expression built up from an integer constants, variables, and algebraic operations. For example, 3x plus 2y minus 4. Recall that a rational number is one that can be expressed as a quotient of integers. Hence, a rational algebraic expression is a fraction in which the numerator and/or denominator are polynomials. Keep in mind that in a rational algebraic expression, the denominator should be any real number not equal to 0, and variables should not have a fractional exponent. Here are some examples of rational algebraic expression. 2xy over 7, s squared minus 2s all over t squared, 5d over 4d plus 20. Here are some examples of not rational algebraic expressions. Remember that the denominator should not be equal to 0 and variables should not have a fractional exponent. 2abc over 0 has 0 denominator. 4m over n to the power of 1/3 has a fractional exponent. 2 over a minus a would result to a denominator of 0 since a minus a is equal to 0. Therefore, these are all not rational algebraic expressions. Let's do activity 1, classify me. Direction. Classify the different expressions below as rational algebraic expressions or not rational algebraic expressions. To answer this, recall the definitions I have said earlier. Let's answer activity 1. 11xy over 24. Is it a rational algebraic expression or not rational algebraic expression? It is a rational algebraic expression. The numerator and denominator are both polynomials. How about 4y over z to the power of 1/4? It is not a rational algebraic expression. The denominator has a fractional exponent. How about 5a over 4b plus 10? What is your answer? It is a rational algebraic expression. How about 2y over x minus x? It is not. S squared minus 2s over 0. It is also not a rational algebraic expression. 9abc over a plus 70. It is a rational algebraic expression. 11xy over 24, 5a over 4b plus 10, 9abc over a plus 70. These are all rational algebraic expressions for the reason that the numerator and denominator are polynomials. On the other hand, 4y over z to the power of 1/4, 2y over x minus x, and s squared minus 2s over 0 are not rational algebraic expressions because they have fractional exponent and the denominator would be equal to 0. For more learning, let us answer activity 2. Simplify me. Rational algebraic expressions are fractions containing polynomials. They can be simplified much like numeric fractions. To simplify a rational algebraic expression, first determine the common factors of the numerator and denominator, and then remove them by rewriting them as expression equal to 1. Here are the step-by-step procedure to simplify them. Step 1. Factor the numerator and denominator. Step 2. Cancel out or divide the common factors. Step 3. Simplify. Let us answer number 1. 3x over 6x. First is factor the numerator and denominator. The factors of 3x is 3 and x. The factor of 6x is 2, 3, and x. The next step is cancel out or divide the common factor. So the common factors are 3 and x. And finally, we simplify. And the answer is 1/2. Number 2. 6x plus 8y over 10. The factor of the numerator is 2 and 3x plus 4y. The factor of the denominator is 2 and 5. Their common factor is 2. And now we simplify. So the answer is 2x plus 4y over 5. Number 3. 25a raised to 4 over 5a raised to 3b. So, step 1, factor the numerator. So, the factors of the numerator are 5, 5, a, and a. The factors of the denominator are 5, a, b. Step 2. We cancel out or divide the common factor. So the common factors are 5, a, and a. And now, we can simplify. And the answer is 5a over b. Let's simplify more rational algebraic expression here in activity 3. Direction. Simplify the following rational algebraic expressions. Choose the letter of the correct answer to decode the word. So, first is we have to find the answer for number 1. We have a minus 5 all over a squared minus 25. So the first step is to factor out the numerator and denominator. The factor of a minus 5 is itself and 1. Since we no longer need to write 1, we can simply put a minus 5. And then the factor of the denominator is the quantity of a plus 5 times the quantity of a minus 5. And then we cancel out or divide the common factor. The common factor is a minus 5. Step 3 is we simplify. Therefore, the answer is a over a plus 5. Number 2, 2b plus 8 all over b plus 4. When we factor the numerator and the denominator, it would be 2 times the quantity of b plus 4 all over b plus 4. And then we cancel out or divide the common factor. And when we simplify, the answer would be 2. Number 3, we have c squared minus 9 all over c squared plus 4c plus 3. So when we factor out the numerator and the denominator, it would result to the quantity of c plus 3 times the quantity of c minus 3 all over the quantity of c plus 3 times the quantity of c plus 1. And we cancel out the common factor. And lastly, we simplify. And it would result to c minus 3 over c plus 1. Therefore, we can now decode the word. And the word is new. We are the grade 8 math team, and I will end my discussion with this. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics by Paul Halmos. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction.